Okay, this is one of the few times that I've ever actually hit on a property that I thought was actually worth the price that they were asking. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always checking out like the multi-million-dollar houses on Zillow to see what kind of cool things I can see that I can put into my dream house. Let's go take a look at some. So I just went to Zillow and pulled up the whole country and no price limit. Ooh, look at this one. This is like the White House. Granite Springs, New York. I don't think I've ever looked at, or at least not in a while, I have looked at one in New York. $100 million. Woo! I like the round driveway. $100 million. It doesn't look very big though. But I think it said it was like 34. Oh, it's 8 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, 28,000 square feet. Ooh, check out those doors. Oh, I still want those for my house. That is really cool. Ooh, I like the look of this. This is like modern, updated, but yet, estate-like. Nice wood-hewn floors, or hewn wood floors. Very nice. No pergo in this house. Ooh, that's nice. That's some morning coffee. Ooh, that's very stately. Wow, look at all that black, and they pull it off. That is just beautiful. And a totally white kitchen. Okay. That's nice. I guess I would expect it to be a little bit nicer for $100 million. Oh, that looks cozy. Ooh, I like that overlooking railing there so everybody can see out the back windows. That's very nice. Nice touch. Master? Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Look at that tub. That is sweet. Nice, nice. Gardens. Pool. Very nice. Is that like a covered pool? Oh, it's a pool room. Check it out. And a fireplace in the pool room. Stables. Of course, it's the East Coast. You have to have horses. Oh, that's kind of fun. Guess you better have some extra money for a gardener. I wonder if they know what these things say. It could be like some Japanese comic book verbiage and they would never know. That's hilarious. Holy buckets, this is a wine drinking family, or they party a lot. That's a lot of bottles of wine. Well, that's pretty. I like the water. I always love water features. Water features are just calming. Oh, there you go. All right. Ooh, what's this one? Bel Air, California. Ooh, at the cut rate price of $99 million. Because, it is a psychological fact that, 99 sounds less than 100. And even though, what's $1 million? You're going to get more buyers that way. Looks like an apartment building. It's nice, though. 9 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms. Is it like all the water that people in California drink to be healthy that they need all of these bathrooms? Oh my gosh, 20 bathrooms. Wow. 34,000 square feet. Woo. What is this? Is it like a hot tub? It looks like a Veterans War Memorial. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's nice. Are those rocks like hanging in midair? Okay, that's just weird. What is that? It's just bizarre. Nice staircase, but floating rocks? Looks like a hotel lobby. Another hotel lobby from 40 years ago. That's okay. Those chairs are kind of nice. I like that color. But of course, now that I've said bad things about it, I'm wondering what famous person is selling this one that I'm dissing their house. I'm just not into that mid-century modern thing. I don't know. Nice bar. Woo, very nice. That is some serious entertaining space. Oh, I love these fireplaces. These are so beautiful. I really do want one of those. Oh, did you check out the skyline back there? Look at that. Woo, that's worth a cool 10 million, I bet, right there. Very nice. Oh, I love the fact that it's one big window. That is so awesome. Or no, it's actually one of those like fold in the doors thing. Oh, that's even cooler. Oh man. That is awesome. Cool. What is this? Looks like a hotel conference room. Or it's like some space like the cone of silence is going to come down from the ceiling. some top secret CIA bunker room where the president makes war plans. I don't know. That's just weird. But hey, what do I know? Hot tub, sauna, and steam room. Ooh, a sauna and a steam room. Ooh, I like that. Outdoor bar. Very nice. Very nice, but I don't know. Nothing spectacular. I mean, it's beautiful, but for $99 million, it better be beautiful. What else can we find that's fun? Ooh, what's this? Beverly Hills, California. $85 million. 12 bedrooms, 24 bathrooms. 2 bathrooms for every person staying in the house. That's insane. I don't know why there's so many bathrooms. 38,000 square feet. I like that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine making a house payment of $374,000 every month? No. I'm liking this blue pool. I don't know what this is. I'm hoping we get a better look at this blue pool. Oh my gosh. I wonder if it's like cool LED lighting that you can like choose the color. That would be cool. Is that, oh, fountains. I love fountains. That kind of looks like a hotel lobby too. Interesting. Why do all these houses today look like they're hotel lobbies? I don't get it. Nice bar. Look at all the bottles back there. Woo! Ooh, these look kind of comfy. Those are fun. A little bit more relaxed. I like that. What are these barber chairs in the back? Are those makeup stations? I mean, it is California, but seriously? Game of Thrones. I like that. Now this is a nice theater room. Look at those columns. I would have paid a lot of money to be able to watch Game of Thrones in a theater like this and not my family room couch. How many seating areas does a house need? Infinity pool. Sweet. Look at all this empty space. What usually happens in this space? That's what I want to know. There's all these chairs out on the sides. Look at that. So people can lay there. There's the pool. Okay, very nice. Cool tree behind there. That's very well lit. That's kind of fun. But what is all this empty space in the middle? What happens here? What? Okay. If anybody knows, let me know. Is it just for parties? Big parties all the time? I guess that's possible. It is Beverly Hills. All right, let's do one more. One more different. Now let's do Colorado. Maybe we'll have some pretty scenery. All right. $78 million. 8 bedrooms, 16 bathrooms, 32,000 square feet. Okay. This is looking promising already. Look at that. It's a little bridge to get in. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to show this to my husband. He's going to freak. I am digging this. Ooh, check it out. It's like a big old compound in the middle of the mountain. Oh, look at that. You got a neighbor. Dealing with neighbors. Psh. I wonder how often they get snowed in. That has to happen a lot. Oh my God, look at that bridge. Oh. It's like the frost something. That's what that's like. The Bifrost. That's what it is. It looks like the Bifrost. Okay, that I can live without. Especially with that little plant. That little Dr. Seuss plant coming up there. Which is probably like some $1 million orchid or something like that. And I just call it a Dr. Seuss plant. Oh, check that out. Wow, look at that. See, that's the the modern rustic that I am looking for. This whole place is the modern rustic that I'm looking for. This is like, what is this? The symbols on the Stargate? I like this rock face on the bar, though. That's really cool. Oh, that's not a bad theater. That must be, I don't know. Hot tub. I got that. But what is this room in here? And what is this? This must be a regular pool out here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is one of the few times that I've ever actually hit on a property that I thought was actually worth the price that they were asking. This is just insane. A lap pool. That's the backside. Oh my god, I would love to see a floor plan of this thing. A climbing wall? A climbing wall. That is having some extra spending money in your pocket to put a climbing wall in your house. That is spectacular. Truly. All right, tennis court. Toys. Oh, that's how they get out in the winter. It's like The Shining. Oh my gosh. Petticoat Junction. Look at that. A big rain barrel for their own water. Coyote Mining Company. What is gas pumps? What did they just like build their own little village? That's so weird. What is this? Must be like a guest room. Look at the guns in the chandelier. That's pretty cool. Is this a guest room? Interesting. A totally different place. All right. Wow. This is supposed to be in like another guest cabin. Oh, I wonder what this is now. It's like a yurt. Is that a yurt? I don't know. Looks like a yurt. Oh, in action. Coming down the hill. Dun, 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 dun. That's so fun. Wow. Very interesting. Now that is an interesting property that is, I don't know, about $78 million, but it's worth a chunk because that has some cool stuff in it that you don't see other places, which is very cool. It gets kind of boring to see some of the same old things all the time, but that was unique and interesting, and that is the one that I would be willing to take a tour of. Interested in touring this home? Yes, I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little jaunt to Fantasyland. I will be doing more of these in the future because I think they are fun. So if you like these, come on and join me next time. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.